The high number of BIDs that the country is currently experiencing has brought discomfort among mourners who have said that in a case where a deceased did not die from COVID-19, placing the bodies in one mortuary section could cause other bodies of people who did not die from COVID-19 to become infectious. And in turn, this could contribute to the spread of the virus because the relatives of the deceased persons who did not die from COVID-19 do not take enough precautions in handling the bodies, bearing in mind that their relative did not die from COVID-19. The mourners have asked the government to consider dividing the mortuary into two segments, one of those who died from COVID-19 and the other of those who died from other diseases. The mourners have also complained over the long queues that they have to be in order to obtain their burial permits.
I think it's not appropriate mixing the bodies of the COVID. So, the government should come up with a system where they need to, the people who have died with COVID, they need to be separated in the mortuary, and the people who haven't died with COVID, they also need to be separated to avoid the spread of the virus. Because definitely, when someone has died without COVID, when you are washing the body, you are going to be relaxed. Maybe you won't even mask up, but not knowing that person that you are washing who died with COVID was mixed with COVID. Maybe he or she can have COVID at that particular time. So the government should just help the people to save the life of people. They can come up with I don't know what they can do so that the bodies are not mixed at UTH.
Yeah, I've been here for over an hour now. The situation is just too bad. I think the number of deaths have increased. Even myself, I couldn't believe that there was COVID, but COVID is real. Imagine wanted to bury our loved one to a nice place like maybe we book this at St. Anne's or maybe funeral deal, but they are refusing. They are saying they only attend to 10 bodies per day.
My complaint let them give us a promotable service to us as we are coming in here to get a burial permit, whatever. So they should differentiate it because we know so they still measure those people who are dead, say if they are corona or not. Because on my side, they haven't done it all. Then how do I preserve myself?
Meanwhile, Ministry of Health spokesperson Dr. Kabalo has said that this complaint is not valid, and he added that people must help the government to fight COVID-19 other than bringing such complaints. Valerie Banda, Movie TV News, Lusaka.